This is my 2008 Ford Econoline van. I decided to retire, and I have always said all my life I never wanted to retire. I wanted to work till noon the day of my retirement. And then one day I found out about van life, and then I wanted to retire. So I bought a van, and I sold everything I had, and I moved into the van, and I live full-time in this Ford Econoline. I started this in 2021, and I have been full-time ever since, and love every minute of it.
Have you ever had concerns being a female on the road solo?
No, I've never had any problems so far.
Mm-hmm.
I've had one knock on the door. I had the door open, so you wouldn't really consider it. They just walked up and said, knock, knock. And it was a Walmart parking lot. And they said that they only allowed one night, and I had already been one night, so I just moved down the road. But that was my first knock. I have the van set up that I can take a shower every single morning.
You shower in
I shower in my van every single morning.
Wonderful.
Yep. So the way I do it is I carry enough water for 12 showers. And I use a gallon of water. And I heat this gallon of water, pour it into this little nozzle bucket. And I have what they call a potting pan. It's up here in the front right now. I set it down here on the floor. I sit in this potting pan and I take a shower every single morning. But yeah, come on into my home. If you want to know something about anything, just let me know.
Okay, so I definitely can't stand up in this.
No,
you're a lot shorter than I am.
That's the only regret I have, is that I can't stand up in it. But I have my family pictures on the wall.
Aww.
I have a full-size bed.
How thick is your mattress?
It's an 8-inch memory foam.
Oh, nice.
8-inch memory foam. I have the RV AC.
I was gonna say it's really nice and cool here.
Oh, yeah. And when I'm on the road, I don't like to pay to park. We are at a meetup right now, but I don't pay to park. I just find a place that's out of the way that doesn't bother anybody. I throw a generator out and plug my air conditioner in.
Nice.
So I don't have to have power. I have Blue 80 AC 180. This runs by a refrigerator. It's a 55-quart dual door freezer refrigerator.
And you have, this is an insulation thing
Right.
for it to make it more effective?
It's the cover. And then I have another AC Blue 80 up here. And this basically is backup, but I do plug this plug into that goes to that plug right there. And I have the mini dash appliances, and I can cook anything I want to. I'll do full course meals in here. Just using these dashes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, where do you go to the washroom?
You talking about the shower or the bathroom?
Number 1 and 2.
Right here.
Oh, well, that was nice and hidden.
Yep. And it, has a regular lid, just like a potty. I use the pine pellets.
Yep.
And I double bag it.
Mm-hmm.
I used to single bag it, and then there was a faulty bag, and that was a mess. And so now I double bag it. And then I just find a dumpster or a trash can every morning and empty this.
Yeah, there's absolutely no smell in here at all.
No.
Nothing. Oh, I like how you put these crates up for your shelves.
I did not want to put cabinets because the van's already heavy enough, and I didn't want to add any more heaviness with the cabinets, so I just did those little open bins like that. And you can just reach in and grab what you want to grab.
Yeah, everything is accessible from where I'm sitting, right? That's so nice. Right. What am I sitting on here?
You are sitting on just a little bench that opens up, and clothes are in there.
Okay.
And then I have clothes hanging across the back of the bed.
Mm-hmm. And a window and curtains so you can peek out there?
Yes, Johnny's Journey just put that window in for me just last month.
Nice.
And the grandkids, they'll come spend the night with me.
How old are the grandkids?
Gosh, they are 12 and 10 and 9 and 7.
They probably have a blast in here.
They do. They love to come hang out in Mimi's van. And I have started letting people sign my van, the doors and the tops up here.
Yeah, I signed it right there.
Yep.
There's my husband.
Yep. And so if you see me out on the road, just say, I want to sign your van.
And do you want to tell us your channel again?
This van life of mine.
This Van Life of Mine.
YouTube. Yeah, you can come around here and have the magnet here. This van life of mine.
Now, where did you get a magnet like that?
I believe I had that made on Vistaprint. Girl's got to have her shoe rack.
Right.
And then I can hang clothes across it. Your basket underneath. This cable broke, so this door will not open. I've got to take it to Georgia and get that fixed. But just all kind of storage underneath.
And did you buy these window coverings?
Yes, these came from Canada. They're Sakozy.
Okay.
The name of them. And there's a couple in Canada that makes these. And they're magnets. So they just.
Oh, that's handy.
Well, let me show you the front ones because the front ones are.
And were the horses already on here when you bought it? You did that?
No. I put the horses on here in honor of my dad. So basically what you do is you buy a picture, copyrighted picture that gives you the right to use it, and then a sign shop will put it on this perforated vinyl. And what I love about this is people can't see in, but you can see out.
Yeah.
And except for at night when the lights are low. And then the big horses here, that's just and I had them to put the wild horses on there because I was like, we're wild. What I love about these Sakozy windows, of course, they're the magnets, so they just fit right on. But you can fold this down and roll your window down and you have the screen. And so this company is out of Canada, your home country.
Okay.
And it's called Sakozy. There's the name of it. I am headed south slowly to go to a family reunion. We have a family reunion in October. Of course, it's way away, but I'm meeting up with some other ladies, and we're going to do some adventures across North Carolina first. Now, the way I travel is for 1,000 miles, it takes me 10 days to get there. That's how fast I travel. So, even though I'm leaving here tomorrow, and it's only a 10-hour drive, I won't meet her until the beginning of next week, and I'll just stop and film and.
Awesome. Well, maybe we'll see you on the road.
I'll see you on the road.